We can be our own superhero by showing our strength and capability. Each of us embodies different characteristics and is made up of different strengths, just like a superhero.
We believe that we all have our innate strength and courage to overcome challenges alone or with others.
If we fall, we will rise up.
When things are hard, we'll keep trying and be there to help others in need as a way to share our strength as superheroes.
I can be my own superhero because
I have a sense of leadership. I am courageous.
I am determined.
I can accomplish a mission.
I am goal-driven.
I am brave.
I am reliable.
I am fearless.
I am strong.
I am selfless. I am intelligent.
I am helpful.
I can make a difference.
I am a child of God. With these strengths God has given us,
We can be our own superhero.